but we needs a few good taters.
What's taters, precious? What's taters, huh?
Potatoes. Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew.
Welcome to week 3 of TATTER-FEST, ladies and gentlemen. I have a really good one for everybody today. It's probably one of my favorite recipes to do. It is twice baked potato casserole. All right, I think just about everybody on the planet likes this, and if you don't, then I guess we're not friends. I'll try to adjust. Anywho, let's get started.
Good things are coming. Good things.
Before we get started, I would like to remind everybody that cooking should be fun and kind of relaxing. So before we get started, let's have a sip of our relaxing juice. It's called twice baked potato casserole because, well, we're using baked potatoes. So first we have to bake some. I have 4 here that I'm going to bake up, but I'm only going to end up using 2 for the casserole, and I'll probably use the other 2 later on through the week as leftovers. Might as well do half the work for twice the effort, right?
Genius, genius, genius!
Anyway, let's wash these off first. There's 2 main ways to do a baked potato. There's one, you can just throw these right in the oven. Once they're done, you'll have like 80% of the middle will be nice soft baked potato, and then the rest will be a hard potato skin. That's kind of what you get for appetizers at TGI Fridays. The other method is to wrap it in aluminum foil, which is what I'm going to do today. All right, so we need to poke a bunch of holes. I'm just going to poke holes in these potatoes all over. Don't need to be super duper deep, just all over.
That's what she said.
Sweetheart. There we go. And now it's time to wrap all of these up, okay? Watching me wrap them up will be a little bit boring, so through the power of editing, and here we have them. All wrapped up and ready to go. Make sure you poke the holes in there, so that way the whole potato gets cooked on the inside, all right? And these are going to go into a 375 degree oven for about an hour and a half to an hour and 45 minutes. Baked potatoes take a really long time.
Sometimes I'll just throw one in there, even if I don't want one. But by the time it's done, who knows?
We miss you, Mitch. So the potatoes are fresh out of the oven. Remember, these had the aluminum foil on them, so they should be cooked all the way through. No potato waste. Now, if I were just having baked potatoes on this, I would throw on some cheese, some butter, sour cream, and bacon, and I would be in heaven. But that's not what we're doing. This is going to be our filling, so we're going to scoop all this potato out and put it in our bowl. If you have a kid at home, this is exactly where I would want to involve them. They can put whatever they want to in the potato mix, and it'll taste just fine.
Fine, just fine.
Fine, just fine.
Fine.
So to begin with, I'm going to throw in a bit of shredded cheddar. And I'd say about, a tablespoon and a half of sour cream. And if you don't have sour cream, please use plain Greek yogurt. It'll be pretty close. And now we're going to take a fork and we're going to mash and mix this up.
Sophia, no, 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 no.
Yeah, keep her away from there.
No, no, no.
Sorry about that, everybody. My daughter was practicing her camera skills again. She's getting pretty good. Now that we have our baked potato filling the way we like it, we're going to throw in our bacon bits. And I was baking these while I was waiting for the potatoes to get done. And if you don't have any of this, I'm sure you can find some like real bacon bits in the store that are pre-done. I don't know. I was also wondering if there's a mashed potato, an instant mashed potato that would work for this. Anyway, somebody down in the comments below let me know. Alright, we have the filling the way we like it. I'm going to fill up this tray, and I'm just going to speed through it. Boom! Just like that. Straight up and everything. So, now we're just going to top it off with things we like. Of course, I'm going to do a little bit of black pepper. Some cheddar. The rest of the bacon bits. Because I'm a free American and I can do whatever the hell I want. Wouldn't it be funny if I just fell over from a heart attack right now? The beauty of this is it's going to go into the oven until the cheese is melted. 375 degrees. Everything in this is already cooked, so you don't have to worry about anything being undercooked.
It's so simple.
And there we have it. Straight out of the oven. It only took about 5 minutes or so to melt all that cheese, but let's take a bite.
That's what we're after right there, fellas. There she is.
Oh, the potatoes are nice and fluffy and delicious. And of course you have that little bite from the sour cream. Not everybody likes that bite, but like, your mom bites and I still like her. I'm just kidding, but seriously, tell her to quit texting me. And of course, that bacon's got that beautiful umami to it.
What the is wrong with you?
If you were listening closely enough, you just heard an audible thump as my wife's eyes were rolling in the back of her head. Funny to me. So, I'm keeping it. Enough of my nonsense. This is a delicious casserole you can use for any occasion, really. If anybody wants more of my potato dishes, I'll put a link to the playlist right here for TATTER-FEST. Please let me know what your favorite potato dishes are down in the comments. Yeah, it's wonderful. Alright, besides that, please like the video, comment down below, follow me on Instagram. I think it's at dads_cookinbear, and on X at dads_cookin_. I'll put it here anyway. If you want to buy some merch, please go to my merch store and do so. So anyway, I have been Dad. Have a good one.
Oh, Sophia, no, 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 no.
Yeah, keep her away from there.
No, no, no.
Oh,
This
that.
is not.